Welcome to another edition of the Story Behind the Car, or in this case, a 1953 Dodge M37. So in honor of Memorial Day, I'm posting this video. A couple weeks ago, I was at a car show and saw this beast. And what a cool truck. So it's a M37. That is a motor out of a Dodge truck, a 1993 Dodge 360 motor. And the gentleman that owns this truck let me shoot the video. We had a great conversation. He did not want to be on the video. He didn't want to have his voice on the video. What's funny is a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, I shot his Honda Civic, and the same thing. Great looking car. He didn't want to be on the video. But this thing is a beast, and he uses it for mudding and taking it out on trails, and it will go anywhere and everywhere. So just really a cool truck. It originally had the Dodge Flathead Flat 6, and then he put, as I said, the truck motor in it, and he said it was so easy to fit the motor in. And just look at that dash, so utilitarian. And it has wheels off of Humvees. So it's got the modern wheels. And then there's a guy out in California he was telling me about by the name of Dean Reed. And he creates these wheels. When I'll show you the wheel in a minute. That's a medical box. So there you can see rebar around the perimeter. And so he went to a guy to talk to him about the wheels. And the guy's like, I don't know about that. And he said, no, that's exactly what I want. I want the rebar as a rock ring, because evidently the wheels of a Humvee are, the edges, the rim are susceptible to damage, and then the tire leaks. But anyway, he was telling me all about this. Just a cool truck, and that's a medical box that he has his tools in, and he's got it fastened to the deck there, as you can see. That's a 1963 K20 that I shot a couple weeks ago. It's on my channel as well. Great guy and great truck. This is just a cool truck. So I got as much information as I could, and also as much information as I could remember, but just really tricked out. He takes it four-wheeling with a bunch of guys, and they go four-wheeling, just driving various trucks. But he said this thing will go anywhere and everywhere, and he doesn't have to worry about it getting stuck. Just a cool truck. I'll put some information below as far as the M37. And he said you can put a snorkel, that hole right there, you can put a snorkel and put it up over the roof of the truck, and he said it will go through water, and he said it will go anywhere. Nice winch up front. So just a unique truck. And then he put the V8 there because he's got the 360 out of the Dodge pickup truck. But underneath, just amazing the way this thing is built, and it's just a beast. You can see the modern engine. He was telling me about the wiring harness. The wiring harness, if I remember correctly, is out of a 93 Dodge truck as well. So thanks again for watching. Appreciate you taking the time to watch.